Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to open Terminal on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, the steps are exactly the same. Before we begin, what is Terminal? In simple terms, Terminal is a built-in Mac OS application that lets you control and interact with your Mac using text commands. It's a powerful tool that gives you access to back-end functions, advanced settings, and automation tasks. Now let's look at 3 easy ways to open Terminal. Method 1. Using Spotlight Search. The fastest way is to use Spotlight Search. Click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your screen, or just press Command plus Space on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Terminal and press Enter. That's it. Terminal will open right away. Method 2. Through the Finder menu. Go to your menu bar at the top and click on Go. From the drop-down, select Utilities. A new window will open with a list of utility apps. Find and double-click Terminal, and it will launch immediately. Method 3. Using Launchpad. Click on Launchpad in your dock. Then go to the folder named Other. This is where macOS groups System Tools. Inside you'll see the Terminal icon. Click it and Terminal will open. So there you have it. 3 simple ways to access Terminal on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.